guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kelly of KoreanON. 안녕하세요, Kelly입니다. Today we're gonna talk about the how to say this and that in Korean. Let's take a look. So we can use this and that in Korean. 이, 그, 저. 3 words. 이, which is used when something is close to the speaker, like this book. This is a cup, right? This cup, or this book, or these glasses. You can use 이, this, as an adjective. It's close to the speaker, right? So how about the 그, like a that book, like a that bed, like a that chair, which is that book. 그 책, that chair, 그 의자, that bed. 그 침대, which is close to the listener over there. Listener, right? Listener over there. And how about the 저? That hill, 저 언덕, that house, 저 집, that cloud, 저 구름, which is, we can use 저, which is that, far from speaker and listener. Far from speaker and listener. So, those are used as adjective, but this and that, or 이, 그, 저, also used as a noun. For example, what's this? 이것은 뭐예요? So, and the case, this is my pencil. This is my brand new car. This is my hat, which is used as a noun. So, 이것은 제 집이에요. This is my house. This is my hat. 이것은 제 모자예요. Or this is my pants. Which 이것은 제 바지예요. How about the 그, you can use 그, which is that and it. It's my house. 그것은, which is close to the listener. And 그것은 that or it. It's my house. 그것은 제 집이에요. That's my chair. 그것은 제 의자예요. Or that's the hill. 그게 내가 말한 언덕이에요. That's the hill. 그것은 언덕이에요. And how about the 저? That. We can use 저것은. 저것은 that is a cloud. 저것은 구름이에요. That's my house. 저것은 제 집이에요. Can you give it that pencil? 저 펜 나 줄 수 있어요? Like that. So let's write it down and you can study one more time. So here is a speaker and listener. So near to the speaker, which is this, is 이. Speak like 이. Okay, so this. So close to speaker as adjective is located before noun, like this car. 이 차. Okay? And this cup. 이 cup. And this apple. 이 사과. So let's talk about 그, which is that. As adjective is also located before noun. 그. So, that car. 그 차. Or that cup. 그 cup. Or that apple. 그 사과. So, it's close to the speaker, we use 이. Close to the listener, we use 그. How about the far from both speaker and listener, which is that. In Korean, 저. So, that hill. 저 언덕. Or that cloud. 저 구름. Or so this and 이, 그, 저. One more time. 이, 그, 저. which is used as adjective. Let's talk about it used as a noun at is. What's this? Someone asked, what is this? 이것은 무엇이에요? 이것은 certain 뭐예요? This used as a noun, which is this one. So someone can reply, this is a diet drink. 이것은 as a noun, there's a particle. 이것은 다이어트 음료. This is diet, this is drink, 음료. 이것은 다이어트 음료예요. How about 이것은 this is a facial cream. 이것은 이것은 얼굴 크림. facial cream. facial 얼굴 크림. 얼굴 크림이에요. How about the next one? This is a brand new car. 이것은 this is a brand new car. This is equal. 이건 새 차예요. What's it? What is it? It or what is that? It also used as a 그것. 그것은 these particles always can be omitted when you have a daily conversation. It's my hat. 그것은 제 모자예요. That's my phone. This it's my phone. 그것은 it's my phone. 그것은 제 핸드폰이에요. What's next? It's my doll. doll 인형. 그것은 제 인형이에요. So what's next? Which is that. That is a noun. 저것 or 저것은. This is a particle can be omitted. That's my car. 저것은 내 차예요. That's my hat. 저것은 내 모자예요. That's my pants. 저것은 내 바지예요. So which is far from speaker and listener. So we learned that this and that in Korean, which is 이, 그, 저, which is used as an adjective or noun. So please repeat one more time. This car, 이 차, this hat, 이 모자, that hat, 저 모자, that car, 저 차. And if you review this video one more time, you can see the pretty much all about the this and that in Korean. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm happy to reply or I consider them for the next chapter of my video. See you later. 다음에 만나요.